Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add blur background in Capcut PC. If you're new to Capcut PC and you don't know how to add blur background to your videos, I'm gonna show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Capcut app. Now create a new project by clicking here. Now click on import to add the video that you want to edit. For now, I'll choose this video and click on import. Now simply drag the video to the timeline to edit it. Now to add the blur background, all you have to do is go to this section and scroll all the way down till you see the canvas option. Click on it, and as you can see there is none selected. Click on it and you can see the blur option. Again click on it. You can choose the different variety of blur here. For now I'll choose this one, and now scroll all the way up and decrease the scale just like this. And now as you can see, we have added blur background to our video, and just like this we can add blur background to our videos in Capcut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.